So these are two Kingcamp beach and camping chairs, a Kingcamp cooler, and an electric lunchbox. So we're gonna go over all of these really quickly, some of the benefits and why I have these. On this video, we're gonna take a look at the ultra light two-step chair and the 2-in-1 Kingcamp hammock chair. And here, both of them are folded up with our thermo bag. First one is the Kingcamp hammock 2-in-1 chair. So that's like a very padded, ultra premium hammock chair. That is a very low profile, also very comfy Kingcamp beach and fire chair. It's got a removable pillow. The pillow is pretty cool because inside the pillow is the bag for this whole chair, and this is how small it is. Here is the bag for this chair. Inside the bag is the instructions on how to fold it. All of Kingcamp chairs have these snap-in aluminum pieces that are made from the same alloy that is used in building airplanes. This part will hold up to 330 pounds. You have your armrests padding right here, additional padding right here for your legs, and a pouch for your phone, book, glasses, anything that you may want to do. This is also on the Velcro, so it's not going to fly around. All right, and you can see I can tilt this far back, or I can basically bring myself forward like this. So if you're over fire, you can lean in, and if you want to just kind of relax a little more, you can tilt back. They're very comfortable on the spine. The bottoms have these plastic feet. None of this is corrosive, so you're okay to put this in the water when you're grazing on the beach. Let's take a look at the other chair before we fold these up. This one is probably one of the more premium ones. We got this as a rocking chair because we have a baby. The padding on here is a little different. There's additional pieces of something, some sort of a foam or something on the inside. Here, it doesn't. By the way, I want to mention that both of these are rated for rain, so you can feel comfortable and confident leaving this outside. This one also has a bottle holder right here. Nothing underneath, but you can see the thickness is really, really thick here. Now, if I were to sit in this, so sit on this, the good thing is it swings, right? So I can have my feet out, very comfortable when you're sitting around the fire. You can also just kind of sit upright like this. People have a tendency just to do this. It's really nice and easy to do that. And again, if you want to raise yourself up, you grab these strings and you just pull them towards you like this, and then all of a sudden you're upright. And if you want to go back down, you just release this and you can lounge like this. All right, this chair here, you can still go backwards. As you guys can see, this has got a recline, or I can go forward. So there is a mechanism here that basically kind of tilts with you, forward and backwards. But as I said, you could potentially take this and place it in here, kind of like that. And then your cell phone would go in the other one, or glasses, and then you just kind of chill, kind of like this. This is comfortable for the lats. Same here, extra padding as support. So both of these chairs are quite easily to assemble. This one's much easier because you just lift these things up. You do this and then you put this into a big bag. This is the bag for it. These make sure that the thing doesn't collapse on itself. Right? Fold this in. So we're gonna place this in here. And there it is. Now for the two-step chair, it's hooked up right here. So we have to lift this, and then on the front, 1, 2. So this comes off like this. Now these kind of separate themselves like a tent. So you pull this, you see that? that easy. Same with this, and finally the bottoms. There's a little Velcro strap right here that keeps all these from falling apart. Put this in, put this in, put this in. And there you have it, the Kingcamp ultralight 2-step chair. This is a very heavy duty, very spacious thermo bag for multiple things. Now what we do with this is we carry all of our baby formula when we go picnicking or anything like that, and baby essentials in here. When we're going on a boat, we can fill this up with 8 2-liter bottles, plenty of food. You put an ice pack in here or even an ice cube tray, and it will hold that when sealed for up to 24 hours. That's crazy. I have tested this myself in the hot weather with a thermal gun. Again, I put an ice cube tray in the morning, and then a couple hours later I took it out and it was still iced. 58.9 degrees. So that's how hot the sun is shining. Look at this, in 3 hours in the hot sun and it's still here. The reason that it holds it so well is because of the materials and the sealing properties. Even if you look at this zipper, when you seal it, look at it. You see complete seal. And it's very reinforced on the inside with TPU. All of this is super insulated. So all of these materials and the thickness of the pad on the inside make sure that it's either going to contain the heat or it's going to contain the cold. This is an electric lunchbox. It comes with its own cutlery in here. Now we bring this camping because it's powered off of a car charger battery adapter with USBs. So this is a 12 volt. Made of plastic, so it's not that big. Powered by not only a car lighter, but also a standard outlet, right? It also comes with a thermal bag to keep this extra warm. How does it work? Very easy, by the way. This is like a little compartment for your lunchbox. So what it does is underneath here, there's a heat plate, heats up, and then it heats up this stainless steel container. So you can have soup in here. The hottest that we got it up to was about 67 Celsius. And you can definitely fry an egg on this. I've tested that as well. You can definitely fry an egg in 10 minutes. Well, you can use this as a fruit bowl as well. It's a really nice little thing to carry with you when you go camping. So as you guys can see, very small form factor to get everything for your camping. Thanks for watching.